In this video, I'm going to show you how to submit an assignment to the assignment tool in Moodle. So you've got into a Moodle site and you know you've got to submit an assignment. First, you need to find the assignment, and in this case, we're going to submit something to assignment 1. You click on it, and it first of all lets you know if you've tried this before, what your current status is, have you submitted anything or not, and is it graded. And I'm going to go ahead and add a submission here. So I want to find a file. I can either drag or drop them into here, or I can click this button, which allows me to then browse for a file of some sort or another. There we go. All right, so that is there, and then I click upload this file. Okay, and the file submission is done. I don't think I made any changes, but I always like to click Save Changes just in case. There we go. That easily brings me back into here. Okay, so this is considered a draft, which means I haven't clicked the Submit Assignment button, but the upload is successful. I can tell that my upload is successful because I see the file right there. So if I needed to now remove that or edit that, I could, but instead I'm going to click Submit Assignment. Now, this particular assignment has what's called a submission confirmation statement. In this case, it's the honor code. So I'm saying, yes, I affirm that I've upheld the blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm ready to submit, and I click Continue. And now I know for sure it's been submitted for grading. Now, your process in your class might differ because faculty can choose whether or not to require the submission button to be clicked. If they don't require the submission button to be clicked, they can still see the file that you have uploaded. You just don't go through that final process. The key for you as a student is to make sure that your upload took place appropriately. So you're always going to want to make sure you see your file right here. If you don't see a file right here, you did not get it submitted. Your faculty may or may not be interested in any technological excuses that you have for not having a submission. So you're going to want to always double check and make sure that that submission took place. Later, at some other point, you can be elsewhere in the course site and then just come back in and you get that same thing, just reminding you that you have submitted. Sometimes in an assignment, your professor might allow you to have multiple attempts, and in that case you would have a button that would allow you to attempt to resubmit at this point. However, in this particular case, that has not happened. So I'm going to pause for a moment, brief intermission, and when I come back, you'll see how to look for the grade or any comments on your assignment. And I'm back. Time has passed. Your professor has graded the assignment that you submitted, and so you're ready to come back in and take a look at it. You'll click back on the assignment. You know now that it has been graded because it says that, and you just scroll down and here you can see your feedback, your grade, any comments, and if you want to, you can come in here to look at what's called an annotated PDF in which your professor has made comments directly on the assignment itself. And that will let you, look at those kind of markup things. In addition to looking at your grade this way, you'll also be able to see your grade in the grade book for this class. So when I click on that again, I can come here and I need to go to navigation and I find this course and I click on grades, and that brings me into the gradebook for this class. And so far only this one item has been graded, and I can see the general comments right here and the grade, but I can't see the specific comments marked up inside of the assignment itself. To do that, I could click here, which would bring me back into that assignment. And that is how to handle submitting and checking your progress and grades and comments in the assignment tool inside of a Moodle site.